Hi everyone, Janet Boyer here, and today I'm excited to be unwrapping Softflex Company's latest jewelry kit, Filling Foxy. Wow, say all that 10 times fast. And I love the autumn colors, and I haven't even opened it, so I'm really excited. They always make such beautiful packages with twine that you can always use for like crafts and other things. I always save those. And I love that pumpkin color. Oh, guys. Okay. Their kits are so much fun to work with. You can make so many pieces from it too. Oh my gosh, look at these colors. Oh, I love working with autumn colors. I really do. Whether it's junk journaling or mixed media, ephemera, jewelry. If it has browns, oranges, mustards, sage greens, olive greens, I am a happy camper. And the cool thing about their kits too is they always include a spool of their soft flex beading wire. You've heard me talk about soft flex wire, soft flex wire. Well, here's some in the flesh. And this is the gorgeous red jasper. This is one of my favorite. I have some in stock, but heck, it's one of my favorite colors. I use it a lot. So you get beading wire. You get design elements. This is Foxy Lady from Jesse James Beads. They work with Softflex Company for their monthly kits. And they always have these pretty themed bead mixes to match. They often have one or two strands that you can also get on the Softflex Company website that's extra. I didn't get it this time because I had already had beads in like the white and the red that's in here. And oh my goodness, you think I would know by now, do not open beads on camera unless you have a bead mat. I forgot. But they're so pretty to look at. You'd think that I would have got a tray or something. I'm sorry, guys. It's been a long day. Oh, so gorgeous. And Softflex always includes these beautiful, like, check beads. I love ivory. Oh, my gosh. I love stuff like that. Look at this, guys. Faceted. It looks like cream and some browns and blacks. They're always color coordinated. Oh, gorgeous. Faceted. Look at these beautiful colors. Oh, wow. I don't have any beads like these. Pretty. And they come with those crimps I was telling you about. And by the way, you have to get Softflex Company's magical crimpers. They're purple, and they make wonderful little raviolis and then beads. And if you crimp, you know what I'm talking about. And I tell you, I always have great results with the magical crimpers. Once you try those, you'll never try any other crimping tool, believe me. And they always have like a gold tone or silver tone or copper tone, or I think even gunmetal. And this month is gold tone. And they come with, always have like a lobster clasp and ear wires to make at least 2 sets of earrings. And oh, look at this. I don't know if you can see these. There's a fox charm, and it looks like autumn leaves. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Isn't that cute? Oh, 2 of them. 2 leaves. Wonderful. Oh, and I noticed some foxes in here too. Oh, wow. Those would make such cool bracelet dangles or earrings. I love the rich reds and oranges. Look at that. Funkadelic, right? Totally boho. Wonderful. I cannot wait to create with this. So I just thought I would share a quick unwrapping as opposed to an unboxing with you guys. And if you're interested in Softflex Company's monthly kit, go to softflexcompany.com. I think September's is the Spider Queen, and it looks like there's going to be like a purple and black type theme. It's always a secret, so you kind of get a hint of the colorways, but you don't really know what you're getting. You just know the theme, so it's always a pleasant surprise when you get their kits. And so I hope you enjoyed seeing this, and I can't wait to create with it, and I will definitely be back with some cool creations. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.